The last 24 hours have seen Litecoin's first major break above $100 since November 2014, coming back to life after months of low volume and low price movement. Litecoin founder Charlie Lee has recently started working full-time again on Litecoin development, bringing back his skill set to develop Litecoin applications once more after quitting his job at Coinbase. This is where he was a director of engineering. He is currently working on a payment processor for online retailers accepting Litecoin, as well as other developments expecting soon. The Chinese markets are not leading only Bitcoin surge, but also altcoins. This includes Litecoin, which accounts for around 30% of trading, the best performers today. Litecoin US dollar is trading around 32.54 after a gain of 18% in the last 24 hours. Litecoin has been viewed as a strong competitor to Bitcoin now that its price is falling. It could be a great time to buy into Litecoin. This price increase has happened in the last 24 hours, even as Bitcoin's price has gone down by about 1.5%, and Bitcoin continues to struggle with transaction issues. After starting out at around $4, Litecoin has reached its all-time high of $48 in June 2014 before correcting back around $15. Litecoin is one of the three cryptocurrencies. The other ones are Bitcoin and Dogecoin, which provides a good base on which newer cryptocurrencies can be built upon since they have been tested for more than 4 years now. So this sleeping giant has awoken. Litecoin is taking over the cryptocurrency world. It currently supports fast transactions and low fees, which are becoming increasingly as important as Bitcoin becomes difficult for many people to use because of its high costs and slow speeds. Will you invest in this potentially great new currency? Now, a little bit about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has thus far proven to be resilient and strong cryptocurrency, but it's unclear how Bitcoin will cope with the future forks. Ethereum has also saw some major news recently. The Enterprise Ethereum Alliance was formed yesterday, the first day of Consensus 2017, which includes companies like Microsoft, JP Morgan, Credit Suisse, etc. The market for digital currencies is growing rapidly. This price today shows that Litecoin could be poised for even more growth in its near future. The all-time high Litecoin price was $48 US dollars in June 2014, while Bitcoin highest point in history is 1163. If you adjust for the 1-to-10 ratio between Bitcoin and Litecoin prices at that time, it seems like Roger Ver, the Bitcoin Jesus, who many have come to know through his message on social media platforms such as Facebook or Twitter posts this week, which splits its community. While he even went so far as saying some will say it's just a promotion, others feel like Litecoin may actually be better due in large part because of lower transactions fees, but also faster confirmation times. One reason for these faster confirmations is because Litecoin uses script. Script is different cryptographic algorithm than Bitcoin uses, so it's different. It's actually less mathematically complex and more memory intensive. That leads to more expensive mining in terms of both time and electricity. Will Litecoin continue to grow as Bitcoin struggles with its scaling issues? Time will tell, but make sure to buy some Litecoin soon before you regret not doing so. Now, lastly, we're going to talk about Ripple. Ripple's price went down about 40% over the same time period. Ripple is trading around 86 cents after decreasing about 4% in the last 24 hours. This is a classic pump and dump coin. Now, Circle is going to use blockchain technology for cross-border transactions instead of Ripple's XRP token. This announcement comes at a time when many investors are nervous about investing And Ripple, since its lack of adoption in the retail commercial market space, and its price is driven purely by speculative investments in the cryptocurrency market, and which has crashed significantly this year. If you're not paying close attention, Bitcoin, Ripple may come as a surprise, especially given that its founder insisted on canceling his appearance at the consensus in 2017. Peer-to-peer payments companies created by internet entrepreneurs Jeremy Allaire, Sean Neville. These guys, they let users send money for free using social messaging apps like WhatsApp, etc. This new product differs from other stable coins in that it's being pegged to underlying fiat currency reserves, exactly like Tether or true US dollar. This is also similar to Circle's original business model, where he proceeds from one company's core offerings, Circle Trades, which is an OTC desk for large cryptocurrency trades, are invested back into the US dollars and other fiat currencies which back it up. So far, US dollar has been available on Poloniex exchange, but they promise to make more announcements related to this service soon. So Ripple has came out saying XRP does not need Bitcoin to survive. But what Ripple coin XRP is trying to do, technologically speaking, is akin to what PayPal did for e-commerce and wire transfers. Replace an expensive and slow system with a more efficient one that won.